This is Willie. Willie, say hello. Say hello. Say hello.
Hello.
Very good there. Very good. I'd like you to welcome Willie, of course, by saying hello, Willie.
Hello, Willie.
Very good there. Nice job. Okay. This animal seems very docile in captivity, but in the wild, he is known as a bird of prey.
I'm Jewish.
This is Lumen, the first device for hacking your metabolism. With just one breath, Lumen tells you what you're
a little out of control. Remember this? Now, folks, when animals are in a new environment, the biggest problem is obedience. So what a lot of zookeepers and trainers and veterinarians use is a little hypnosis. And this is not a very heavy trance, but when I say sing, he will sing. When I say sleep, he will sleep. When I say crap. This would be a lot easier if you just do more bird things.
Hey, I am a master impressionist. That's what my species does. You do jokes, I do impressions.
I got it. I could do jokes. I'm sure you could. Could you do an impression? Yes, I could do an impression.
Go ahead, do it.
What?
Do it.
All right. I will do an impression, and then you tell me who I'm doing.
Okay.
All right, let me think.
Kim Kardashian.
You are tweeting without thinking.
Donald Trump.
No. It's cheating. It's cheating. Animals, it's a crapshoot.
Crapshoot.
Come on! All right, now listen, I have an impression.
Okay.
I am not a professional.
That's fine.
All right, tell me who this is. Ready?
Yeah.
Who's this? I did not have sexual relations with that woman.
Elton John.
I'm gonna do one more and we're done if you don't get it. Fine. He's like the most famous person of all.
Okay, ready? Yeah.
I'll be back.
Jesus Christ.
Now, number one, it's Arnold Schwarzenegger, and number two, come on! Thank you very much. Thank you.